Have you ever stopped to wonder what's actually inside a hot dog, or how they're made on such a massive scale? We're about to take you deep inside one of the most advanced, high-speed hot dog factories on the planet. Get ready for a mesmerizing journey from raw meat to perfectly packaged franks. This facility is an engineering marvel, capable of producing a mind-boggling 10,000 hot dogs every 60 minutes. That's over 160 per second. The secret lies in a symphony of precision machinery, relentless automation, and some seriously fascinating food science. This machine produces one hot dog every 0.36 seconds. Let's see how it's done. The process starts with the raw materials. Forget the myths you've heard. Modern hot dog production is a precise science. Here, we see vast quantities of meat trimmings, a carefully selected blend of pork and beef being fed into colossal grinders. These aren't your kitchen variety grinders. They're industrial behemoths that can process tons of meat in a matter of hours. The key here is consistency. Each batch must have the exact same ratio of lean meat to fat to ensure every single hot dog has the familiar taste and texture. After the initial grind, the meat moves through a giant mixing vat. This is where the magic really begins. A precisely measured blend of seasonings is added. We're talking salt, paprika, garlic powder, and other spices that give the hot dog its signature flavor. But what's really clever is the technology used here. The entire mixing process happens under a vacuum. This pulls all the air out of the mixture, which is crucial for preventing oxidation and creating that dense, firm bite we all know. It also ensures the spices are perfectly and evenly distributed throughout the entire batch. Water, in the form of ice, is also added. This not only helps to bind the mixture, but also keeps the temperature low during the intense friction of the next stage, which is critical for achieving the perfect texture. The result is a finely ground, perfectly seasoned, and chilled meat paste, ready for the heart of the operation. This is where things get really satisfying to watch. The meat mixture, now known as an emulsion or a batter, is pumped under high pressure through a series of gleaming stainless steel pipes. It has a distinctive smooth, pink appearance, flowing like a thick, meaty river towards the stuffing machine. This machine is the core of the entire production line. Here, the emulsion is forced through nozzles at an incredible speed. As it exits, it's piped directly into long, continuous tubes of cellulose casings. You're watching an endless strand of hot dog being born right before your eyes. The casing unwinds from a huge roll, and the meat fills it seamlessly, creating a rope of proto-hot dogs that can be hundreds of feet long. A linking machine then twists this long rope at precise intervals, creating the individual links we recognize. It's a blur of motion, a hypnotizing, continuous process that transforms that pink slurry into perfectly formed franks in a matter of seconds. The cellulose casing is just a temporary cooking mold. It's not what you find on the final product. Its only job is to hold the hot dog shape as it cooks. Now that they're formed, the long chains of hot dogs are draped over racks and begin their journey into the smokehouse. These are essentially massive, tunnel-like ovens that can be hundreds of feet long. Inside, the hot dogs will pass through several stages of a carefully controlled cooking process. First, they're heated to a specific internal temperature, which fully cooks the meat and makes it safe to eat. Then comes the smoking. While some traditional producers use real wood smoke, most large-scale operations like this one use a highly efficient method involving liquid smoke. This is a natural smoke concentrate that is vaporized into the chamber, enveloping the hot dogs. This imparts that classic smoky flavor far more consistently and quickly than traditional methods. Every variable inside this smokehouse, from the temperature and humidity to the airflow and cooking time, is monitored and controlled by a central computer system. This guarantees that every single hot dog, whether it's the first or the 10,000th of the hour, is cooked to absolute perfection. Once they emerge from the heat of the smokehouse, the hot dogs need to be cooled down rapidly. They pass through a drenching shower of chilled, briny water. This cold shock not only stops the cooking process instantly, but also firms up the proteins and makes the next step possible. And that next step is one of the most ingenious parts of the whole line, removing the casing. The now-cooked hot dogs move onto a machine called a peeler. As the string of links is fed in, a tiny, precise blade makes a slit along the length of the cellulose casing. Then, jets of high-pressure steam get under the casing and blasted off the hot dog in a fraction of a second. The machine literally skins the hot dog at an incredible speed, separating the edible frank from its cooking shell. The spent casings are wound up onto a spool, looking like a strange, translucent ribbon. The result is the skinless frank that most of us are familiar with. They are now perfectly cooked, smoky, and ready for their final inspection. This is where the speed of the factory truly becomes apparent. Thousands upon thousands of freshly peeled hot dogs tumble onto a series of high-speed conveyor belts, moving so fast it's almost a blur. Before they can be packaged, every single one must pass a final quality check. But you won't see an army of inspectors here. Instead, the factory uses an advanced vision system. High-speed cameras scan each hot dog as it flies by, looking for any imperfections in size, shape, or color. If a defective hot dog is detected, perhaps it's too short or slightly broken, the system instantly signals a jet of air to puff it off the line and into a rejection bin. It's a process of uncompromising quality control that happens faster than the human eye can track. The perfect hot dogs continue their journey to the packaging machine. This is another masterpiece of automation. Mechanical arms and guides that arrange the hot dog into perfect rows. A counter ensures the correct number, usually 10, is grouped together before they are dropped onto a sheet of plastic. Another layer of plastic is placed on top, and the package enters a vacuum sealer, which removes all the air and heat seals the edges, locking in freshness. The machine then slices them into individual retail packs, ready for boxing. Watching this final stage, you can truly appreciate how 10,000 units an hour is possible. From the raw-made trimmings to the vacuum-sealed package, the entire journey is a marvel of industrial engineering. Massive grinders, precision mixers, high-speed stuffers, and intelligent robots all work in perfect harmony. Wide shots of the factory floor reveal a complex network of conveyors, all leading to towering pallets of boxed hot dogs, ready to be shipped out to supermarkets and stadiums around the world. This single production line is a crucial part of the global food supply chain, satisfying the cravings of millions. The sheer scale is breathtaking, a testament to what's possible when technology and food production come together. So the next time you're enjoying a hot dog at a barbecue or a ball game, you know the incredible, high-speed journey it took to get there. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the factory floor. What other giant-scale food processors do you want to see next? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this as fascinating as we did, be sure to subscribe to see more amazing manufacturing marvels. See you in the next one.